नमस्कार, मैं अशोक व्यास, विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम में आपका स्वागत है। आज के इस अंक में हम आप तक पहुंचाएंगे एक रिपोर्ट मैनहट्टन डिस्ट्रिक्ट अटॉर्नी के लिए डैन क्वार्ट के समर्थन में मैनहट्टन में आयोजित एक सभा पर, और साथ ही साथ एक खास रिपोर्ट जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा पर जो समाप्त हुई थी वॉशिंगटन स्क्वायर गार्डन में। तो ये विशेष रिपोर्ट्स करेंगी आपकी प्रतीक्षा इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। बने रहे हमारे साथ। यूएस स्टेट्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव कैरोलिन मेलोनी ने आयोजन किया विशेष रूप से समर्थन करते हुए डैन क्वार्ट का, जो मैनहट्टन डिस्ट्रिक्ट अटॉर्नी के लिए उम्मीदवार हैं। और पॉल होटल में आयोजित हुए इस कार्यक्रम में ITV गोल्ड और पारिक वर्ल्ड वाइड मीडिया के चेयरमैन पद्मश्री डॉक्टर सुधीर पारिक भी उपस्थित थे। प्रस्तुत है इस आयोजन पर हमारी ये विशेष रिपोर्ट।
I'm at the front end of the fight in the legislature to change the post-conviction rules. There are great inequities. We're known as a progressive state, but our criminal legal system is anything but progressive. And that is one of the changes where you need a combination of federal legislation and a change in state law so that we can review people who are been wrongfully convicted, because there's nothing that gets worse to the heart of the integrity of the criminal justice system than people who did not do the crime being in jail for two reasons. One, can you imagine the destruction to that person and his or her family? Secondly, the person who committed the crime is out there. And that's what a good DA has to do, is not just to protect those out there who could be a victim of another crime, as well as free those who are innocent.
Can you tell people who are not familiar with the political campaign the cost of an ad on TV?
We made a decision to go up early on TV 7 weeks ago, and the decision was that because early voting started yesterday, that Election Day was not really June 22nd, it was yesterday. And so we pushed up our cable buy to 6 weeks ago. So we've been on cable consistently, and those costs are anywhere between $55,000 to $70,000 a week.
We thought it would be more interesting for you to have Indian sweets.
It would
as something
much better than 49 candles. Yes.
Yeah, so they'll help us. And if everybody here can wish Dan a happy birthday by joining and singing happy birthday, and this will be his victory song. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dan the Victor. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, this is a new place, Paul Hotel, and we have taken the management of the food and beverage. Over here, we have a rooftop lobby bar and a restaurant down there. And we are honored to have Congresswoman over here and District Attorney over here. I'll call him District Attorney from now on. So, so thank you very much for all of you to come. And we all should support him. And I think we'll be in good hands.
His name is Dr. Sudhir Parikh. And Dan, just as a reference, the very first time we met was on his TV show. So he runs that TV show that we make, Ashok Vyas. So Dr. Sudeep Parekh is a physician by profession, and he does tons of charitable work, and he also runs the ITV. So you say a few words.
Dr. Sudeep Parekh is a Padam Shri. He's been one
Highest
of the
award from the Indian government.
highest award.
Well, Congressman and good friend in Dancourt, really it's a pleasure to come here Sunday afternoon and just reiterate our community support to you. Our community is Indian American community is for you and is behind you. And we have this Parekh Holwar Media. We have 4 newspaper as well as 24/7 this TV channel called ITV, and I'm sure you've been there ITV in the talk shows, and we'll welcome you there. It's your platform, and we'll promote you and we'll make sure that you are our winning person. And you always count on us, and we community always believe that unless we support you, we cannot be claim a piece of American pie. And that's why we would like to be with you, and please let us know what else we can do for you.
I think he will make a magnificent district attorney for Manhattan. He has the skills, he has the commitment, he has the backing, and we are here today supporting him. I am thrilled to be here with so many friends from Dr. Smita, who's the daughter of Uma Sangupta, one of my very best friends, and together we worked for the Diwali stamp. It has been one of the most successful stamps in the history of America, having sold more, celebrating light over darkness, good over evil, really values that are in every religion. It was long past due to have the Diwali stamp recognized. I'm also working in Congress now to give Mahatma Gandhi the highest award that Congress can give, which is the Congressional Gold Medal. And this, I believe he deserves so much for his leadership, not only in India, but in the world. 2 very important leaders have received the award already, Martin Luther King and Mandela, Nelson Mandela. And yet both of them attribute all of their success to Gandhi. They say that they were disciples, they were mentors, that they would not have been successful in their movement without his leadership. So it is long past due that Gandhi be given the exact same honor that Mandela and Martin Luther King have been given, who have been wonderful leaders for social justice. It's appropriate to mention it today because what's more important in law and order and in the district attorney's office than social justice. And now I'd like to really hand this over to our candidate, Dan Quart.
One of the great things about campaigns in this city is the ability to learn more about different communities and to understand our great differences and diversity as a city. And that I have done in this campaign, and I'm very lucky to have friends now in the Indian American community that I didn't have before this campaign started, and I'm deeply appreciative of that. And I thank you for your continued support. As the Congresswoman said, early voting started yesterday, continues today and tomorrow until June 20th. There'll be a day off on June 21st, and then Election Day on June 22nd. So if you're a Democrat, please come out and vote for me. Thank you.
His name is Dan Quart. You have seen him earlier on Ashok Vyas's program, and we are here to support him at this beautiful hotel called the Paul Hotel in Manhattan. Dan is running for the Manhattan DA's office, and early voting started yesterday, and primary voting for the Democratic voting is on June 22nd. So all of us are supporting him from the Indian American community because he believes in justice for all, and that's the most important thing. So it doesn't matter where you come from, what your income is, what your status is. Dan is going to be the DA for all the people, and that is why the Indian American community is behind him. So join us and help Dan Quart win. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Congresswoman Carolyn Maloney. and I represent the 12th District in the United States Congress, which includes parts of the east side of Manhattan, Astoria, and Long Island City, Queens, along with Greenpoint and Williamsburg, Brooklyn. And I'm running for re-election on the Democratic line on 2021 on Line A, Democratic line, and I've been a strong friend and supporter of India. I was the author of the legislation that created the Diwali stamp and worked to put together the coalition in Congress, even with the President of the United States, President Obama, to finally get that stamp approved as an official stamp for the United States of America. It's been incredibly successful, one of the highest selling stamps in the history of the country, a very successful stamp. And I'm working now to get the Congressional Gold Medal for Gandhi. Gandhi was a spiritual leader for Martin Luther King, who has received this award, and Nelson Mandela from South Africa, likewise, who received the award. So it's only time that Gandhi should receive the award himself. I am working also to get vaccines to India, working with President Obama. He has approved over 500 million vaccines to be distributed to our allies. And India, as the world's largest democracy, will be a large recipient of them. It's only normal and fair that the world's oldest democracy and the world's largest democracy should be such wonderful, close, and supportive friends.
I have taken over the management of food and beverage in this hotel. This is the Paul Hotel. It is on 32 West 29th Street off the Broadway. And right now we are talking from the rooftop of this restaurant. We have a rooftop in this hotel. I do the room service, and there's a restaurant and a lobby bar. And we are opening a lobby garden also over here. Please do come. It's a good change for all of you. And I'm looking forward to see all of you over here. And I'm very thankful that my all friends came here. And today we are doing the fundraising for Dan Coates, District Attorney of New York. And thank you very much. And I'd love to see you in Paul Hotel over here. Thank you.
It's an honor and a privilege to be surrounded by people like this, and as a student at Bath State College, I have had the opportunity to see a lot of politicians and work with them in the past, and I know the struggle of being here on the final week, the home stretch, and striving to get those final votes, the final dollars. Every single vote always counts, and I know that this is going to be a tough race, but I'm sure that Dan will pull through and that this will be a success story, so very happy to be here once again.
I would like to wish Dan Coates all the very best, and I think he's a very good candidate for the district attorney. I've heard his reforms that he wants to bring to the table, and there is a sincerity I see in his voice, and I think he's a good candidate and he's fit for the district attorney. I would encourage all the voters to come out and vote for him and give checks and help him in his fundraising, and I wish him all the best. Thank you.
आप देख रहे हैं विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम ITV गोल्ड पर। सोम, मंगल, बुध और गुरुवार को हम आपके लिए लेकर आते हैं विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी, और इसका एक विशेष साप्ताहिक अंक आपकी सेवा में पेश किया जाता है रविवार को सुबह 11 बजे। आपकी सकारात्मक प्रतिक्रियाओं और उत्साहवर्धन के लिए आपका आभार व्यक्त करते हुए निवेदन है, बने रहें हमारे साथ। जारी रहेगी विजन ऑफ एशिया की ये यात्रा इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। और आइए अब आपको लिए चलते हैं एक ऐसी रथ यात्रा में जो पिछले 45 वर्षों से लगातार भगवान जगन्नाथ के स्मरण के साथ उत्साह और प्रेम से मैनहट्टन में आयोजित होती रही है। ये प्रारंभ हुई थी 1976 में, जी हाँ, और इस बरस कोविड के समापन के साथ जब न्यूयॉर्क फिर से खुलने लगा है तो इसका आनंद लेने के लिए भक्तजन पूरे उल्लास से उपस्थित हो पाए और 5th एवेन्यू 45th स्ट्रीट से प्रारंभ हुई जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा समापन हुआ इसका वॉशिंगटन स्क्वायर गार्डन में, जहां तरह तरह से श्रद्धालुओं को हरे रामा हरे कृष्ण इस्कॉन की तरफ से आकर्षित करने और आनंदित करने के कई कार्यक्रम थे। कहीं चैंटिंग, कहीं नृत्य और तरह तरह से एक खुले वातावरण में न्यूयॉर्कर्स ने कृष्ण प्रेम का आनंद लिया। और समापन सभा में कौंसल जनरल रणधीर जायसवाल और न्यूयॉर्क स्टेट सेनेटर जेनिफर राजकुमार भी उपस्थित थे। प्रस्तुत है इस कार्यक्रम पर हमारी ये खास रिपोर्ट।
Okay, this is a little slice of heaven in New York City. This is the 46th anniversary. We're hoping to make it to the next 1,000 years, right? Right? So everybody's invited every year. Same date, second Saturday in June, without fail. Pandemic or no pandemic, without fail. So anything you like, anything that they'd like to see, come and experience. Don't just listen. Taste the reality. And who are we speaking to? ITV Gold. So to all your listeners, we'd like to extend the blessings of their lordships. We hope that everyone gets a very nice darshan. And please enjoy the festival. Hare Krishna.
Jennifer, such a pleasure to have you participating in this. And Consul General Sahab, please come. And I want both of you to be sharing your experience of having witnessed this special Ratha Yatra, Jagannath Yatra. And I would begin, as always, they say, ladies first with you.
Thank you. Well, it really warms my heart. I come every year now to support this. As the first Hindu elected in the state, I'm so proud to be here in the heart of Manhattan, celebrating our community and the faith that guides me in everything that I do.
Namaste, everybody. For me, what is special today here is, I've heard the inspiring story of Prabhupada from Mayapur to the United States to various other parts of the world. And today I got a chance to connect with that. I've had the opportunity of celebrating Rath Yatra in Durban, in South Africa, in Croatia, as I said, and several other parts of the world. But truly here to come to connect with Prabhupada, what he said, what he started here, has been very, very special.
Hare Ram, Hare Krishna. I am very much delighted to be here in this special occasion. I had been 3 times in Jagannath Puri, and it's fortunately I visited one time at the Rath Yatra time. It was really wonderful function. So I am very much delighted to be here in this occasion. Thank you so much, everyone.
Ashokji, I would just say one thing. Start your day with this Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And believe me, your day will be so peaceful and calm. The God, Lord Krishna himself will plan for you. And I've noticed it and I do that. That's why I'm telling you with so confidence. And look at this, in this COVID time, thousands of devotees have come. Who could have done it? Only Lord Krishna.
I'm very grateful. We are very grateful on behalf of ISKCON that we have a wonderful community of devotees and friends who are eager to share the message of Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita to the whole city and the whole world. It is very crucial at this time. There's unrest, there's civil challenges, financial challenges, that we remember Krishna's words, that when we serve God, when we serve humanity, Krishna sees that and he reciprocates accordingly. So you can see this is the result of our endeavor to serve humanity here today, that the reciprocation by the community has been enormous. So I definitely invite all of our esteemed guests to come to our temple in Brooklyn at 305 Schermerhorn Street to see the temple in action as we support the community on a daily basis with food for life and yoga programs and meditation programs. Definitely come check it out. There's something for everyone. And once this pandemic is finally over, our doors will be open full and wide to the entire city to come and participate.
I just wanted to express my joy, and that joy makes you dance. And the spirit of surrender, which comes to us from realized beings, can only kindle that sense of pure joy, which you can feel by being here or by being at place where devotees chant his name with complete surrender and abandonment. And it is indeed remarkable, miraculous to see that here in New York, in Manhattan, and people celebrating, enjoying being with the truth that they are in various forms, with chanting, dancing, as well as enjoying Indian delicacies. So once again, I thank Adhikari ji, Jennifer, Jagdish ji, Consul General Sahab, and everyone from Hare Rama Hare Krishna community. And on behalf of ITV Gold, I express my joy as well as congratulate Hare Rama Hare Krishna organizers for offering such a wonderful event which enhances positive energy remarkably. This is Ashok Vyas with cameraman Raja Bhatti. Hare Krishna.
I would like to honor ISKCON and the organizer of the Hare Krishna festival to organize such a beautiful event and bringing the culture, Indian culture, American culture and all the diversity under one umbrella. And also we have Indian Consul General Honorable Randeep Jaiswal ji is here. Thank you Jaiswal ji, Jagdish ji. We really applaud what work you do for the community and the Nepal Consulate General also. Thank you.
Simply take this chanting Hare Krishna, and that in itself will uplift our hearts, uplift our minds, and bring us to the spiritual platform. As spiritual beings, we're all part and parcel of the Supreme Spiritual Being, who's also known as Krishna, because Krishna means all attractive. No one can be more attractive than that Supreme Spiritual Living Being, God. He's all beautiful, all famous, the most wise, the most powerful, the most everything. So Krishna, this name is universal, and this Krishna consciousness movement is also universal.
For Raj Kumar, I'm honored to stand before you today as the first Hindu ever elected in this state. Yes. But certainly not the last one. And my Hindu faith guides me in everything that I do. When I am overwhelmed or when I am anxious, the first things that I think are the Gayatri Mantra, those words. I think often of the things that my dad told me growing up and the tales he read. He read the tales of Krishna to me every day as a child. And I was always inspired by the God who held a mountain on his pinky, who knew true love, and who guided Arjuna on the battlefield of life.
Thank you very much. Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. I want some of you to chant with me, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. It is the Lord's name that unites us, and we come from that cultural heritage which brings the message of oneness for the whole world. And Krishna consciousness, as Lord Krishna himself declares in Bhagavad Gita, Omityak Aksharam Brahma, so that in the form of Om, in the form of Brahma, that which offers the opportunity to reach to him in infinite ways. As Swami Vivekananda declared that infinite could be ways to reach the infinite, and that way becomes palpably available for us by chanting collectively the name of Lord Krishna with love and devotion. I extend my joy, happiness, gratefulness and my pranams at the feet of the Swamiji and at the feet of Prabhupada. And indeed this great Ratha Yatra is important celebration of oneness and joy that emanates from the land of Bharat, and we are proud to be a part of that lineage, and we want to share this joy of loving each and everyone with everyone.
और अब आज का विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम समाप्त करने से पहले हम आपको फिर याद दिला दें, फेसबुक पर हमारे फ्रेंड बने, ITV गोल्ड के यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इवेंट्स के लिए हमें लिखें events@itvgold.com पर। हमारा साथ देने के लिए आपका आभार। अशोक व्यास को अनुमति दें। नमस्कार।